Hi guys, thank you for clicking. If you're new here, welcome. For those who are coming back, thank you. Today we're going to be making a black forest cake without using a mixer, and this is going to be one of the simplest recipes ever. My name is Julie and this is the Pastry Kitchen. Our ingredients are flour, buttermilk, brown sugar, cooking oil, melted butter, cocoa, coffee, baking soda, vanilla essence, and eggs. We're going to mix the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately, then fold them in together. Guys, our butter is ready and we are going to divide it into 2 equal parts. Remember, we always do this so that our cakes can have a big body and so that they can become tall. Guys, always remember to knock your butter on the surface so that you can get rid of any air bubbles that may be trapped inside. And if you watched this video up to this point and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and support our channel. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Subscribing is free, guys. It's free. We are going to bake our cakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, then let them cool so that we can frost them. And our whipped cream is ready. So if you want to see how I whipped the cream, I leave the link down below so that you can go and watch it later. And also there was a request on how I normally clean my cake base. I'm going to be showing that today, so stay tuned. Guys, this is the stage where you clean up the base so that you can get rid of the crumbs before you crumb coat the cake. Guys, this is the second stage where you clean the base, and I prefer using the paper towel because it's fast and easier to dispose. So guys, we are going to place a cage around the cake, and now I'm going to show you how to make the cage and how to place it on the cake. And if you have not subscribed, please click on the red button down below and also click on the bell button right beside it so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Guys, this is melted chocolate in a disposable bag. So I'm just going to snip the top part of it and make the pattern on this parchment paper so that I can place it on the cake. So guys, I'm going to let it cool for about 2 to 4 minutes and not let it to harden, and this also depends with the temperatures of your place. Now we are going to write the message on the cake and our cake will be ready.